For another day in a row, we've got the 70s, but our run in the 70s could be over after today, so the warmth may be fleeting as at this point. Upper 60s right around 70 degrees right now. Did manage to get up a degree or two warmer over yesterday, but we're beginning to cool back off again. What's lying ahead, though, is some rain showers and storms starting tomorrow morning. They're going to last into the start of the weekend, so that'll help cool things off a little. And then be prepared for some strong winds on Saturday, starting to blow in some of that cooler air. We do see gusts up to 50 miles per hour. So now may be a good time to just make sure there's nothing that could blow around or blow away in your yard or get damaged by those strong winds just a couple days from now. A little on the breezy end currently. We're seeing gusts settling down, though, not looking at those 30, 35 mile an hour gusts that we had earlier this afternoon. So it should be a calmer end to today, but then be ready for those winds to be a lot stronger once we go into the weekend. So later tonight, looking at fairly quiet conditions while we await for the rain to arrive. Note the temperature. Right under 60 degrees, very warm night ahead. Could even be close to record setting when it comes to that overnight warmth. That says we await for some rain showers and a few scattered storms into tomorrow afternoon. So it's still staying summer-like, and yes, we might still manage to sneak in one last day in the 70s amongst those showers and storms. So let's time those out for you on Future Track. Here we are tomorrow morning, starting out with some spotty rain, so very hit or miss light showers possible early in the day. And then as you go farther to the northwest, it's where you do see these pockets of heavy rainfall, but you'll note on Future Track, it seems like that rain wants to stay just to the west of Monroe, at least when it comes to those heavier showers over the course of Friday. Into Friday afternoon, spotty showers and even a couple thunderstorms starting to slowly track eastward. But I think the bulk of this activity, as you can see here, holding off into the evenings. Here you're about at 8:30, finally getting some heavier showers and storms into Freeport. Later on at 10 o'clock, those are crossing into Rockford as well as Rochelle. And then we'll continue to have rainy weather all throughout Friday night into Saturday morning before we see that clear out early. The rest of Saturday looking quiet, except for the wind. And that's when we do see wind gusts again up to 50 miles per hour starting late Saturday morning, continuing throughout the afternoon. Just be ready for difficult driving conditions. A lot of leaves blowing around and a lot of loose objects too, so make sure those trash cans are secure because of those very strong winds ahead for the start of the weekend. And heads up for Saturday night into Sunday. Yes, the clocks go back and look at the sunset time. Right now it's setting right close to 6 o'clock. It'll be before 5 o'clock by the time it gets to Sunday evening. Ahead in the forecast, 60s return this weekend. Then we stay there into next week. Lots of sunshine ahead with warm weather, but not as warm as today, into next week. And your most accurate 10-day forecast, the weather drops by late next week, so it may take another 10 days, but there we are, down to the low 50s to upper 40s by next weekend. That is typical weather for this time of year, Derek and Brittany.